Okay, so you charge your iPad, and after 100%, you forgot the charger on, and here's what happened when you try to open it. You press the button here, and you have this drawing. So everybody on the net says you press the two buttons, and it should start the iPad again. And it doesn't work. So here's the solution. So you take a bean bag. This is my daughter's one. Any bean bag would work. You put it 35 seconds in the microwave. Okay, so you have the bean bag, the iPad. Put it on the back of the iPad in a any bag, any towel, anything that will keep the heat, and you put it in there for around 10 minutes. So once you take the bean bag out, you press home and power button, and there you go. The iPad is starting again.